Let's explore the top free AI tools for creating videos without any cost. First, we'll look at Runway ML, which offers a free tier with basic video generation capabilities. This tool is particularly good for creating short visual effects and style transfers. Next is Synthesia, which provides limited free access to their AI avatar video creation platform. It's perfect for creating professional talking head videos without having to film anyone. Then there's Lumen 5, which converts text to video presentations with a generous free plan. This tool excels at turning blog posts and articles into engaging video content. For those wanting to create animated explainers, Animaker offers a free tier with essential features. It's particularly useful for creating explainer videos and animated presentations with its library of characters and animations. Finally, we'll cover HeyGen's free trial, which allows you to create professional AI videos with virtual presenters. Their advanced AI avatars can deliver your message with realistic expressions and movements. Each tool has different strengths. Some excel at text-to-video conversion, while others focus on AI avatars or special effects. Let's compare their key features side by side. When choosing a free AI video tool, consider what elements are most important for your project, whether it's realistic avatars, visual effects, or content transformation. Start by writing a clear script that's conversational and concise. This is the foundation of your AI video. Keep your script natural sounding and aim for about 125 to 150 words per minute. Break content into short paragraphs and include notes about visuals you want to include. Next, choose the right free AI tool based on your specific needs. Different tools excel at different types of content. If you need a virtual presenter, look for avatar-based tools. For dynamic content with text animations, choose text-to-video converters. For explanatory content, animation-focused AI tools work best. Then, upload your script and select voice options. Most free AI tools offer several voice choices with different characteristics. Consider the gender, accent, and tone that best matches your content. Make sure to preview the voices and check how they handle technical terms or unusual words. For visual elements, utilize the free stock footage and templates provided within these platforms. Most free AI video tools include a library of assets. Take advantage of built-in templates, AI-generated backgrounds, and simple animations. Keep your visuals simple and relevant to your message for best results. Finally, export your video in the highest quality possible within free tier limitations. Check the resolution limits of your chosen platform and select the optimal format. Pay attention to the balance between quality and file size. Most free AI video tools limit exports to 720p resolution and include watermarks. To optimize your results with free tiers, keep videos under time limits, typically 3 to 5 minutes. For longer content, consider splitting into multiple videos. Position your important content to minimize watermark impact. Let's review the complete AI video creation process. You'll start with a script, select the right tool, choose voice options, add visuals, and finally export with optimization in mind. Remember that while free tiers have limitations like watermarks or time restrictions, they're perfect for learning the process before investing in paid options.